Okay, so now that we have added animations, let's go ahead and watch where we stand right now using our slideshow. So I click on my slideshow across the top of the ribbon and I go to From Beginning so that I can see the whole thing. Remember, if I've done it correctly, everything, every piece of text and every picture is going to slide in or do some sort of transition. So that did, looks like this did. Okay, I forgot to do the picture. That came in, that came in, forgot to do the picture, that came in, and that wiggles at the end. Okay, so the next thing that people like to do is instead of animating just the text and the pictures, they like to animate the whole slide. So for example, when this slide came up, it was just bam, there's the slide. Bam, next slide. Bam, next slide. And again, next slide. Nothing fancy for the slide transitions. So if we used animations last time, that animated the text and the pictures. Now we're going to animate the actual slide. These pretend like they're pieces of paper. Each time each paper is flipped or each slide is flipped, it's going to do something to that. And so you can do that with several ways, and there's the examples. Fade them in, cut them in, sorry there was a bug, split, reveal, and again this little thing means I can see all of my options. So sometimes I like this one. I don't know why. So that's that first slide. Let's do the next transition. Let's do a cube. Okay. Next transition, let's do, okay, let me make sure we remember. This is the little place right here that has the arrow and the line so that I can see them all. This is fly through. I don't like that one. So let's do conveyor maybe. There we go. And then the last one, I'll do checkerboard. So that we see what I've done, I'm going to go back up to slideshow. This is how we see the whole slideshow in the presentation. And I go to From Beginning, and then I'm clicking and it adds my text, but then it goes to the next slide. Did you see how that slide 1 went to the second slide and it did it different? So I'm going to go through all these animations, and it went to the next one using the conveyor belt. And now it's going to do checkerboard. And that's it. So that's how you do animation or transitions. Let's make sure we get it. Click on the slide you want to animate. Click on transition. Choose the transition that you want to deal with. That one looks cute. And it gives you a little preview over here of what it looks like. You can do honeycomb. See how that looks like that? So those are your transitions right there. There's a difference. You see how the difference between the transition and the animation is that the transition affects the slide. The animation affects the objects or text or pictures in the slide. So, transitions do the whole slide. Animations do just the pictures or the text. Alright, I hope that helps. If you don't get it, watch the video again.